cook the steak. This is a T-bone cut. In skillet, we have some olive oil and we have butter, unsalted butter. Let's go ahead and get that baby in there. Can you all hear that sizzle? Let me tell you what I seasoned that T-bone with. So I went in with some salt. I used low sodium, black pepper, a little adobo, we used some tender steak blend. And last, we use the spice wrap prime steak. So that's the seasoning. Again, that's a T-bone steak. Olive oil and unsalted butter in the cast iron skillet. The steak has marinated for a little bit. Using the seasonings that I just showed. I'm going to add a little bit more butter. Olive oil. We're going for a medium rare. We don't want well done. In the middle, y'all. In the middle. Y'all know what I mean. I don't want to see any red. I've introduced myself as Keitha T in Keitha's Kitchen. Cooking yet my second T-bone steak today, guys. This one is for the hubby. If you never tried those seasonings, oh my goodness, you have to try them. I don't know where you can get them from. Our local butcher shop has them, so when we do the steak, we sometimes will let them season, or we just bought those items and we can do it home ourselves like I did today. But y'all, it is definitely a must try. Get you something to put on your steak. And if you do, come back and let me know what you thought, because I guarantee you, you're gonna love it. Okay, let's go ahead and give her a flip. Can y'all see that brown? Look how brown. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Look at that. Oh my goodness. Now she's browning beautifully. Look at that. I can put more butter because this is not my piece. Y'all know I don't do too much dairy, but this is hubby's piece, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. Get all that flavor. If you're watching, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I appreciate you. There we have it. T-bone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Keitha T. I'll see you next time. That's a beauty right there.